Hello and welcome to Metric Insights. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bulk change to modify element settings for several elements from one value to another. Bulk change feature helps administrators by saving a lot of time. Instead of changing a specific setting in each system element separately, it allows changing the value for a certain field or setting for the several selected elements all at once. If you go to Content, Elements, you will see the full list of elements created in the system, and it includes those which are not shown at the home page. For the first example, let's change the bunch of elements from one category to another. I'll filter out all the elements to show only those belonging to the operations category. Take a look at this column of checkboxes. I can use it to choose several elements or select all these elements by checking this single box at the top. Now, the bulk change option becomes active. I click it and then I choose the field that I want to change for all these selected elements. Please note that this pop-up is dynamic and it will be changing depending on the option selected above. Now I'll choose the resulting category for all these elements, and let's say I want to move all of them to the revenue category. Next, we preview the elements that are going to be affected by this change, and it shows current value and new value, and we're still free to exclude some of the elements from the list. I agree with these changes, so I click Make Changes. For another example, I'm going to be changing a business owner. In the owner filter, I'll choose some user, and now I select the elements for which I want to change this owner and click Bulk Change. In this case, I'm altering the business owner field and specify a new owner from the drop-down list below. Preview and agree with the changes. For the purpose of another example, let's change data collection trigger for all the selected elements. Let's choose this one and preview the elements that are going to be affected by this change. As you can see, some of them are marked as not applicable, and it's because they have either manual data source or are created from other elements. The system is smart and it seeds out only those elements that can be altered. I agree with these changes, so I click Make Changes, and this is it. This is how bulk change feature allowed us to modify several elements at once. Subscribe to our channel to learn more about Metric Insights features, and whether you have any further questions, you may leave them in the comments section below or contact our support team at support@metricinsights.com.